Hi everyone. When we hear the word engineering, many of us think about buildings, roads, bridges, machines, factories, and technology. Engineering has made our life easier, faster, and more comfortable. It helps us travel, communicate, build homes, produce electricity, and improve many parts of modern society. But at the same time, we need to ask one important question. How does engineering affect our environment? This is important because every development project can bring both benefits and problems. If engineering activities are not planned carefully, they may harm the environment around us. Engineering activities can sometimes cause environmental problems such as air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, deforestation, and climate change. For example, construction projects may produce dust and noise. Factories and transportation systems may release smoke and harmful gases into the air. Land development may also lead to the cutting down of trees, which affects animals, plants, and the natural ecosystem. Based on our survey, many respondents agreed that engineering activities do affect the environment. The most common issue selected was air pollution, with 45 responses. This was followed by climate change with 39 responses and water pollution with 38 responses. This shows that people are aware that engineering development can create serious environmental impacts. These problems may not always be seen immediately, but over time, they can affect our health and quality of life. Polluted air can cause breathing problems. Polluted water can affect humans, animals, and plants. Climate change can lead to hotter temperatures, floods, and extreme weather. This is why environmental protection should not be ignored. However, engineering is not only a cause of environmental problems. Engineering can also be part of the solution. In the survey, many respondents also believe that engineering can help protect the environment. The highest response was for renewable energy, with 52 responses. This means many people believe that engineering can support cleaner energy sources such as solar power, wind energy, and hydropower. Besides renewable energy, engineering also helps through waste management systems, water treatment systems, and green buildings. For example, water treatment systems help clean dirty water before it is released back into rivers or used again. Green buildings are designed to save energy and reduce waste. Waste management systems help reduce pollution by handling rubbish in a safer and more organized way. This shows that engineering has two sides. It can damage the environment if it is done carelessly, but it can also protect the environment if it is done responsibly. So, what should we do? First, engineering projects should follow stricter environmental rules and laws. Before starting any project, engineers and companies should think about the possible effects on air, water, land, and the surrounding community. Second, more sustainable practices should be used. This includes using renewable energy, reducing waste, saving water, and choosing materials that are safer for the environment. Third, the public also has a role to play. We can support environmentally responsible projects, reduce waste in our daily life, save electricity, and be more aware of how development affects nature. Environmental protection is not only the responsibility of engineers or the government, it is everyone's responsibility. In conclusion, engineering has a strong impact on the environment. It can contribute to pollution, deforestation, and climate change. But with good planning and sustainable practices, engineering can also help create a cleaner and safer future. Development is important, but it should not come at the cost of our environment. We need progress, but we also need responsibility. Let us support engineering that builds not only a better society, but also a better planet. Thank you.